moisturizer I'm using, guys, every morning. And my natural baby cream. Every morning I'm using this, guys. Pwede na ito siya the whole day. Mag-stay ang iyong natural beauty. Aww. Siyempre, ang ating kilay, hindi mawawala yan. Kahit nasa bahay ka, magkilay ka talaga. Ah? Ayan, guys. Ganda nito. Pag gusto nyo to, malaman ko anong brand ito, just comment down below. Ayan ang ating morning look. Fresh lang, simple. Wow! Try it. Try this, guys. Very simple lang siya. Simple look. And very fresh the whole day. So, tapos na tayo magpa chiki-chiki. So, ito nga ating fresh look in the morning. So, ito lang mga gamit ko, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Oh, fresh na fresh ka na ba? Oh, yo.